Well, I just wanted to quickly share with you trying to get RSS feeds into Pageflakes. It's not the most intuitive of things, so I just wanted to show you how to do it. The toughest part is that there's no obvious RSS aggregator flake for you to find. If you browse Flakes and you search for RSS, what you get is a bunch of results of RSS. The interesting thing is all these results are technically feeders, and you just have to swap out the information. So I can click on any of them. I'll click this first one, go back to my page. Oh, and it put it on the wrong page. Let's see. You're about to see how I can move one. Nope, come on. There we go. Move that flake to the page. Why is it not taking it? That's odd. Hopefully I got it here. And this video is not going to work if I don't get the page to work. There we go. Okay, so there's that RSS Winterfest thing. And it's having a trouble loading because I know it's ugly. Okay, there we go. So hit edit. Now, notice there's that feed URL. It just means you need to go get the URL for the feed you want. So one of the ones I saved is Faculty Focus. This is one of the ones I suggested you might want to do. And notice on here, sometimes you have to search for it. There's a little thing that says RSS. And click on that RSS. For me, because I've set up my computer, it automatically goes to this and tries to get me to put it in Google Reader. Instead, I'm going to grab the URL. If it gives you a web page with a bunch of code in the middle here, just grab the URL up from your browser web address bar. And so now I'm going to go back to Pageflakes, and I'm going to paste, come on, paste this URL in here. And I'm just having problems with this. There we go. So paste the URL. Otherwise, everything's going to stay the same. Now this is going to be weird. What I noticed yesterday is that it sometimes glitched each time. I'm going to change the name to Faculty Focus and hit save again. There we go. And so I got it. So again, you just click on the little edit and change that feed URL, and then you can go to preferences and change the name. And that'll allow you to input that. Now, what if you're like, well, Shelly, I want to do our course blog. I want to subscribe to that. You'll notice on this page there's no little orange RSS logo. Like here, subscribe to this post. Well, guess what? This page is also a Google Sites blog. The difference is, in the case of this page here, as well as this page here, where again it has that little orange, they're both public sites. And remember, for our course, I had to share you as students into the course, and we're the only ones allowed to see it. I think because this is not a public course, it does not have a subscription feed. However, if you want to be updated whenever I post a new post, you can go up here and click, well, it would say subscribe for page changes. The only thing is sometimes I edit the post, and you'd get notification via email every time I edit a post. But up to you. You can do that. Last but not least, and this I haven't quite figured out, so we're testing it as you're watching. Here is the Flogs link, and notice that I have a pod player down here. So I'm going to, maybe not. Is there a way of? Find. Oh. I guess it's not going to let me input my own podcast in there. Well, maybe I'll try to figure out that for the next time, how to get our podcast onto our Pageflakes page. But notice we have that RSS, and that's going to be the key, subscribing to that RSS logo there. Hopefully that helps with getting your blogs subscribe to your Pageflakes page. And if you really struggle with that, just do it in Google Reader. That's a much easier system to get stuff into. And I hope you enjoy playing with these. Either way.